Organize your mind and manifest anything you want. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Want to remind you to be sure and subscribe because we're here all the time with new videos to empower your life. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Organize your mind. Think about it. If your mind is organized, your world is organized. If your world is organized, you're attracting anything you desire, and you're attracting it easily with less effort than ever before. So high flyers, one of the things that I've noticed is that when people get themselves into kind of an emotional ditch and their emotions are going this way and their thoughts are going this way and everything seems to be haywire and they feel just out of sorts, that's when they manifest the least of what they desire. So by organizing your mind and organizing your thoughts, you're more likely to attract what you desire, the relationship, the money, the health, the new car, the new home, the new bicycle, whatever it is, easier with less effort. One of the things that we have found out that works phenomenal is clearing your mind through hypnosis. We have a new program on miraclehypnosis.com that's designed to help you organize your mind, clear your mind of negative thinking, and help you manifest more of what you want. And you can try it. It's a free trial there at Miracle Hypnosis online. Try the free trial. Hey, what have you got to lose? So number one is reinforce clear intentions. You have a clear intention, you know exactly what it is you desire, but when you write it down, it becomes crystal clear. So have a diary or a notebook where you keep your intentions and the actions and the thoughts that you are taking toward that intention. Be very crystal clear. Don't just say, I want to be happy. Say, I want to be happy doing the following. Living in the following place, enjoying company with the following people. Be very clear about the life that you desire to manifest because that's how the law of attraction works. Well, next, high flyers, if you really want to organize your mind so that you are better able to attract what you deeply desire, you have to clear old, tired, negative beliefs. These old, tired, negative beliefs get in the way of manifesting your deepest desires, dreams, and goals. So think about it. If you have fears, doubts, worries, anxieties, take a risk. I was just watching a video of a guy who lived to 103 years of age. And he said, the key to happiness in life is taking the risk. I'm not saying to be foolish. I'm saying take a risk, which means you're going to have to challenge limiting doubtful beliefs. You're going to have to challenge limiting doubtful thoughts. What that does is it brings you into number 3 on my list. It makes you master of your emotions. Your emotions are ignited by your thoughts. Your thoughts are ignited by your beliefs. So if you really want to get control over your emotions, back in the 70s, and it's not a bad idea, but back in the 70s, what did they used to do? They'd give somebody a tennis racket and tell them to start beating the bed as hard as they could to get out their negative emotions. Then they had parties. They still do. But they had parties where people would pillow fight and just beat the pulp out of each other with pillows. in order to get out their negative emotions. And of course, there's that old go down and punch it out on the punching bag. That works to a limited extent. But when you go back and you actually mine those beliefs, dig them up, those beliefs that are holding you back, then your thoughts change and your emotions automatically change. If you desire to manifest a life beyond anything you've ever experienced, you're going to have to become master of your emotions. Well, high flyers, Neville Goddard talks about focusing on the wish fulfilled, particularly as you fall asleep, because that's when your mind is open. But I say this, I say you need to reinforce throughout the day. Take little bite-sized minutes or moments and close your eyes and reinforce what you desire. See that desire being manifested in your life right now, this moment, because it is. And the more clearly you can see it and feel it, the sooner you get to live it. And isn't that what it's all about? Oh yeah, it is. Well, high flyers, number 5 is to detach. And I don't mean like give up. I mean get into something else. So I was talking with a surgeon the other day, and she says, I don't understand this detaching thing. I says, okay, so are you thinking about your fiance and the problems that you're having with your fiance while you are in surgery? Oh, hell no. I'm focused right there. And I said, you're already detaching. You have to give yourself those moments, those times and spaces to detach in order to allow the energy work, the visualizing work that you've done to manifest. Otherwise, it becomes obsession. She says, so I'm already detaching. I said, exactly. High flyers, you know, there is no attraction without action. But any action is not necessarily the right action. Too much action is bad action. Inspired action, not based on need, not based on want, not based on fear, based on inspiration. You just feel inspired to take action in your life. If you'll do that, and listen, when you feel that inspired action, take it right away. Don't wait. Stop everything. I know a lot of people have trouble with that, but that's really one of the big keys. Stop everything. Pull your car over to the side of the road and make that phone call. But whatever it is you need to do, take inspired action and do it now. Okay, there you have it. These are 6 ways that will help you organize your mind and manifest more of what you desire in your life. Are you ready? Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.